Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, consider it subscribing and don't forget to like, share and don't forget to press that bell icon near you so that you get updated whenever I post a new video for you guys. So guys, today this video is for all the girls who are having lot of facial hairs. You can see here like me, and they don't want to go to parlor and get the treatment done or get their face shaved or waxed away. So this video gonna help you out in all the terms. You will get to know what products I do use and do they harm or they do not. Guys, ये पीरियड में हम नहीं चाहते हमारा कोई भी फेस टच करे, because this pandemic is all about touch. We don't want any of the fellows to touch the face, or we don't even get our hands, legs waxed also. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Guys, right now you're just gonna take a tissue, your face tissue, and clean it off. After cleaning it nicely, you can use any of the face oil or any of the hydrating lotion you have. So I'm just gonna hydrate my face with this oil, plum oil I'm using. Guys, can you see the hydration? I'm just gonna pat on my face. Guys, I'm done with a lot of hydration. So guys, this is gonna be the product I'm gonna use. This is the Twinkle Razor. You can get this product on any of the website you want to. Amazon, Nykaa, Purple also. Guys, this consists of 3 products actually. I've used one. This is the packaging and you're just gonna open. First मैं यहाँ से start करूँगी my side locks. Guys, what you have to do is you have to use it very gently because the blade is sharp enough. And आपको बहुत से लोग बोलेंगे कि आपका face का ये razor है, it gonna harm you. But guys, we just gonna use on the hairs. We just gonna use upon the hairs. We are not going to go inside the skin. And ये जो boils है इनके ऊपर मैं use नहीं करूँगी. ये आपके skin के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे. It's just gonna be used upon the hairs you have on the face. So guys, I'm gonna just, आपको शायद दिखेगा नहीं but धीरे धीरे करोगे तो आपको Can you see guys? आपको ये रेजर आपके जो हेयर ग्रोथ है उसी सेम डायरेक्शन में. My hair growth is like this. My hair growth is coming towards this, so I'm going to use my razor in the same direction. Opposite side नहीं करना है guys. Slowly. Slowly guys, I hope you can see. कैमरा में शायद आपको नहीं दिख रहा है but lot many hairs are coming out of it here. If you can see. You can just, आपको अगर आईज के यहाँ करना है तो hold the eyes first. इस तरीके से आपको अच्छे से पकड़ लेनी है आईज. Then you need to do. Can you see guys? यहाँ से बहुत सारे hairs remove हो रहे हैं. Guys, after this part, I'm just gonna use on the upper lips. मेरे upper lips की, can you see the hydration I'm getting? मेरा ऑयल की वजह से कितना हाइड्रेशन है मेरे फेस पे। Guys, I'm done with my this thing, upper lips. Now guys, after doing upper lips, you can take razor to the chin. I'm going downwards because I do have my facial hairs here too. Yeah guys, now after I have completed this portion on my upper lips, just gonna do your can you see guys all of the hairs coming here at the side? यहाँ से मैं नहीं करूँगी because my shape is all right. Guys, after doing this, I'm just gonna clean it off from here. Boils है मुझे, मैं वहाँ नहीं करूँगी. Guys, I'm done. So guys, after doing this, I'm just gonna take my forehead first. देख के करना है, don't go extreme towards the eyebrow so that it gets cut off. So guys, after you can see यहाँ पे मेरे रेजर के ऊपर बहुत सारे hairs हैं. Guys, after getting this thing done, मैं अपनी eyebrows को extreme remove करूँगी. हम साइड में से because I just got my eyebrows done few days ago. Urban Club guys, literally they take lots of precautions even to get the eyebrow done. You may go for Urban Club guys. So guys, can you see? Guys, we are done with this thing because we are going to clean it again with the facial tissue. We're just gonna clean nicely because the oil also comes out of. Guys, I thought of cleaning my face today very nicely. So I'm just gonna apply my face mask and then I'm going to apply my moisturizer and then it won't have my skin and I'm good to go. So I have just cleaned off my face. Guys, I'm going to use my Mamaearth Cotton face mask. And about like face wash ke liye I did not recommend, but face mask is awesome, so you can go for that. I'm just gonna use Lord, this is a lot of mask. Apply the mask wisely. It does not hamper your skin anyhow. It has kesar and multani mitti also. It has the freshness, the fragrance is so pure. फेस वॉश मुझे थोड़ा सा लग रहा था, बट दिस फेस मास्क गिव फ्रेशनेस टू द स्किन एक्चुअली. इट हैज लिटिल टर्मरिक एंड एवरीथिंग. द मिक्सचर इज सो मतलब सो प्योर, बहुत प्योर मिक्सचर है. लाइक हम जो घर में मुल्तानी मिट्टी यूज करते हैं बस उसी का है. Cover the face nicely. Guys, I'm done. Now I'll be covering my side locks. And आपको जो बॉइल्स है फेस के आप उसको भी कवर कर सकते हैं. It won't harm that. I gradually use my hands for like face mask लगाने के लिए. I gradually use my hands because it covers a lot of portion and nicely अच्छे से face mask लग जाता है. I don't use anything. So guys, I am done with my face mask. I am going to apply my neck also, and after washing it off I'll be back. Right now I look like a I might be looking like a scary person right now. So guys, after washing it off I'll be back and I'll be showing you how my face looks after all these things. So wait for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I'll be back after that. So guys, I'm back after 10 minutes and you can see the glow. My skin is actually feeling healthy from within. Now guys, I'm gonna put my Ceraphil moisturizer in a small quantity because my skin is already very hydrated right now. I'm actually liking the skin. Now guys, I'm good to go. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys.